name is Lucas Abangretti. I own my business and I'm a civil engineer. Today I'm going to tell you how fractions take a big role in my job. As a business owner, I need fractions to calculate how much profit I made in a certain period of time, money I need to pay my workers, how many of my products are deficient, example 1 in 10,000, or measuring how much tax is owed to the government. As a civil engineer, there are many ways fractions are needed. Some ways are fractions of materials used in a construction, fraction of materials that make up a structure, so half wood, half bricks, to measure how much money I make per hour, how many liters of paint are needed for 1 square meter of wall would be necessary to use fractions, how much supplies are needed to create a material. Example, to make concrete, you need 1/9 cement, 4/9 water, 2/9 sand, and 2/9 gravel. That's how you need to use fractions out in the real world. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.